Hi, I'm Dusty Turner with MasterHand Milling, owner here in Lexington, Nebraska. Come on in and let me show you around. This is our scale area here at the plant in Lexington, just off of Walnut Street. This is where basically all the trucks pull in, bring in DDG, get their bill of ladings for the loads that they're to haul out, whether it be bulk, totes, bags, or hopper loads. And this is a scale where they load out. Here you can see this is some bag storage that we use to pre-bag some of our products, whether it be cattle feed, deer feed, mineral, whatever. But this is a little holding area for us to have product on demand when customers need it. Here you can find where we perform a lot of our maintenance on our equipment. We love preventative maintenance, not reactive maintenance, which means dependability, accountability, and overall plant uptime rather than downtime. So here's where it all starts. The DDG comes in from our local ethanol plants. We source from about 5 to 7 different plants for dependability, hitting our feed tag, knowing that we've got just the right amount of fat to come in and make the quality of cube that we want to make. Here's the area where we load out our trucks. We're really focused on fines management. We typically don't hardly get any, but we want to assure that when the product comes out, it's at the most consistent, reliable, and fines free as can be. Here you can see where the DDG comes out of our storage facility. It goes into our surge bin where it's screened and stored and basically taken to our equipment through a flex auger system. We then run it through our specially designed, laid out extrusion equipment where we compress the cube under about 4,000 psi, hold it through retention chambers to make a good solid range cube that can go out on any ground anywhere in the country. One of the unique ideas that we've come up with is our cooling system and how we manage that antifreeze glycol mixture that we use in the process. And after the product is made and produced, we bring it through a conveying system over into our negative air cooler box. And at the same time, we have technology and die design that's allowed us to make one of the first ever high energy, high value deer feeds that's really taken off in the South Texas plains. And last but not least, this is our bagging facility that we're extremely excited about. Here we can bag about a ton every 8 minutes. We can run all sizes of our cubes through here, and this part of our business is really picking up. We send bags all over the country and really looking at expanding that business into a lot of different areas of the country. Well, that kind of wraps it up for us here at Lexington. Appreciate your time. Thanks for making the trip with with me and look forward to selling you some feed someday.